In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and off silent mode on your Apple Watch SE3. First step is to press the button under the crown, this button right over here. Press it once. Then go down until you see this bell. Right now it's gray. It means that silent mode is turned off. If you want to turn on silent mode, tap on it and it will be red, and you will also get the confirmation that silent mode is turned on. This way you don't get any annoying notifications. Your watch will not make any sounds as well, so it will not bother, let's say you're in a meeting or I don't know, in a theater. You can always go back over here and turn this on and off really quickly. You also have another option. So if you keep press on this bell icon, on top of being able to turn this on, you'll be able to turn this on for 1 hour only. So it will revert to the off position automatically, or turn on until this evening. Again, one evening will come, it will turn silent mode back off. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.